how to copy Discord ID. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to copy a Discord ID. Let's dive right in. Open up your Discord app, then go to your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen, then go to the gear icon that will open up the settings. Then scroll down and go to advanced. Now here you'll need to toggle on the developer mode. Now you need to open up a chat, then open up the profile and then go to the three dots on the top right corner, and then you can see copy user ID. Just tap on it and your user ID will be copied. You can go paste it anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.